Now, rationalising the denominator. This is a skill that is lesser looked for now in the 11 methods course. The textbooks often give an answer where they haven't rationalised the denominator. It seems to be a less important feature now, but it's still a good skill to be able to do. So when we're rationalising the denominator, we don't want an irrational number on the bottom. So when we've got a third on the bottom as our denominator that's irrational, we want to get rid of that. So the best way to get rid of something on the bottom is to multiply by the same thing. And if we've got a third and we multiply by a third, we end up with that number. So if we have root 3 times root 3, that's just going to give us 3. So in this case, what we can do is have our 2 on root 3, multiply the top by root 3, the bottom by root 3, and so that will give us 2 root 3 on the top, and on the bottom we'll just have 3. And as you can see, the first one does look a simpler version, but as you can see, we've got no third on the bottom now, and that's what we're trying to achieve. You'll notice a bit of a difference with that when you look at exact values in your unit circle. And in those triangles, when you're doing your exact values, you might notice in older textbooks that you'll see root 2 on 2, and in your textbooks you'll see 1 over root 2, so they haven't rationalised the denominator there. Here we've got 3 root 2 over root 5, so we're going to do 3 root 2 over root 5 times the top by root 5, the bottom by root 5. So we get 3 root 2 root 5 on the top, and on the bottom we're just going to have 5. What we can do then is bring these two together and get 3 root 10 over 5. This one here, we've got 2 minus root 3 on 3, and I think I meant to write a root 3 there. So we'll pop that in, because otherwise, pointless question. So multiplying the top by root 3 and the bottom by root 3. So that means we're going to be left with a 3 on the bottom. On the top, we're doing our distributive law. So we've got 2 root 3, and we've got take away root 3 times root 3 is just going to be 3 there. So that's that one done. And obviously we can't take any common factors here, simplify, because we don't have a 3 as a factor of this term here. I know students will like to cross out as they go, but it's got to be a factor of each of the terms. Okay.